Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store to just get the application. The name of the application is Green Apple Keyboard. And now we should get this up, so click here to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open and click enable in settings. After that, tap here to Green Apple Keyboard switcher once and tap to activate. Wait a second, and after that just go back, click here to the switch input method and switch your currently keyboard or just currently keyboard to the Green Apple Keyboard. And as can you see, the process is finished, and now just we should go somewhere, for example here into the app search, and here we can see the look of our new device keyboard. And as can you see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.